Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a school vlog, so let's just get right to it. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yeah, I'll see you at school.
I guess some of them are gonna be repeatable, but
yeah, we're not doing that. We in access right now.
where you going, Edmund?
And yeah, pretty much I'm about to do some social studies homework. And it's gonna be a mukbang later. What?
Okay, guys, welcome to.
I didn't even hear what she said.
Access.
Okay, shut up. We have to be quiet, guys. Sorry.
Okay, Mike, are you here? Yes. Okay, sounds good. Andrew, are you here? Okay, there we go. Thank you. Janae, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Good morning. Madeline, are you here?
Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Gracie, are you here? Gracie?
Bro, I didn't finish the social studies stuff. Did you finish the social studies? Blah, 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 blah.
About to copy something.
Stop.
Calling for hope. No, I didn't see you have any hope of finding hope. Here? All right.
The social studies work.
Say hi to my vlog, Kate. Okay, just walk away. That's fine.
This should be a thumbnail. Oh, nothing. We do it on social studies homework. Hey, finish your curry, okay. I'll see you guys at lunch, okay? So, you know, we'll just go to lunch. All right, bye. Oh, what the hell? Hey. So, y'all. Is it on? Yeah. Oh, slow out. Nigga, this thing
Because you eating good over here?
Eat that shit like that shit. Yeah, we're just eating lunch right now. You gotta be like, y'all want some milk?
We need some milk.
Yeah, go. Oh, bro, you spilled this is so fresh. Eat that free chocolate milk. No, it's not. Why you just use my napkins for that? I don't care. You stupid. I'm trying to get him some. Oh. Zip. These are nachos. You know, and then we got this strawberries.
This ain't keep frozen.
I might vlog next period because it's 5th period. Next period, 5th period, so I might vlog social studies. I might not because I don't know if that teacher likes me. So
I don't like her. Hey,
oh my god. Y'all want to see my head? Shut up. I thought you were about to come. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in okay, say hi. What's up? I'm gonna see y'all in social studies class. Ladies. I know. Guys, we're in 7th period right now. Is this a vlog? Yeah, I'm in here too. No. I was gonna do. Mention me.
yes, my YouTube
Okay.
is. I don't know.
Mention me. Ooh. I just smashed my water bottle like 3 times today.
Hey, baby. Are you
posting this? Ah! Tragic. Yeah. Stop. Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Y'all, she about to do something stupid.
He's gonna jump to.
Who said your name? Okay. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. I'm sorry if I hurt. What are you doing?
Bothering me. Fix it.
Oh, okay.
Do it the squad.
Class just started. Like I said, we had said, okay, take it. No, you can't. Feel me like that. Like that. Lady.
What do you like better, light skins or dark skins? Light skins. For real?
Depends. Light skins are more like they're more they just use you. Dark skins are like sweeter, I swear.
Okay, okay. What? What do you mean?
Don't put that in your Shut up.
Okay, guys. Today we're gonna do an ASMR. And today we're gonna eat some goldfishes. Do it again. Oh my god. Okay. So we're just grab one. Grab one. Okay. Crunchy.
Oh.
What?
Bro.
I thought that was on a call. That's why I said that.
That's good.
When you're bored, you find out a lot of stuff.
Hi, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I enjoyed filming it. I had a wonderful day. So make sure you get that like button, a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and also comment. Turn on them post notifications so you know whenever I post. And yeah, bye.